if I run video to show exact details on the beanie, it would help out. And if I'm running ads for it, so I should stop the ads and move for video ads too. Give combined discount or 2 products together. I have 2 products, kind of suggest. Yes, so this is a great idea. You can definitely do that. Video ads are going to offer way more, insight of what your product is. Now, really important, because you're suggesting here testing 2 strategies, running ads, and then trying the 2 products together. Definitely, that's a great idea. What I would suggest is do first one thing. So first, run only video ads, see how does that convert. If that converts well, then you go to the second, which is you're going to give the products together maybe. Why I'm saying you this is because it might seem that there are totally different strategies and they should be working on their own. If you're going to apply these 2, and if you will not know what caused success, right? So whenever we are testing something, we like to test only one thing. So here, what you can do is you can run the video ads, and then you're going to compare the video ads to previous week performance to see, hey, how did it perform? And once that you see that the video ads are performing well, then you can also combine discounts. That is a great idea.